Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and it feels like forever since I've gotten a box. We're gonna do a Stitch Fix unboxing today. Look at how tiny this box is. I know I have a Trunk Club box coming. Oh, let me shake the whole table. I have a Trunk Club box coming and it is typically humongous, so it makes me laugh when I get these teeny tiny little boxes. But I've had this box here, I'm not gonna lie, for a solid week, maybe more. I keep extending it just because there are always people in my house and I cannot record a video. So I'm sorry if it feels like it's been a long time. I've missed you all. All right, but I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in this box. I didn't ask for anything. I have no idea when it was coming. And so I hope it is kind of summery spring stuff. I feel like we're getting past sweaters and into fun layering items. So, all right, let's open it up. Okay, return envelope and all the prices and style guides. Let's look at that later. Let's see who my stylist is. Sandy. I've had Sandy for a couple times now and it's been okay. It's been okay. I feel like Stitch Fix had a lull. It's getting better. We'll see if this one is better. All right. Here's my little bundle. Cute colors. Looks like a lot of cotton, which is perfect. All right. So the first thing is like a little t-shirt, but it's short. I don't know if it's too short or not. Sometimes things that are like okay length with a larger chest means too short. So, but with high-waisted things, I find that you can go a little bit shorter than you normally are used to and have a cute, you know, just a plain t-shirt be kind of a cute style. The color's cute, like a little light blue. What is this? Okay, this is a North Face. Oh my gosh, kind of thin raincoat, which I've been stealing my husband's because I don't have one. And I mean, I have like cotton ones and I just don't have like, I don't know, like more raincoat material. And this is really cute. I love this color. That's fun. Okay, I'm excited about that. What is this? Okay. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. Okay, jumpsuit. Okay, hold on, we got a tangle thing here. Okay, it is a Michael Stars tie-dye jumpsuit, and I think this is the same jumpsuit that I have in black, which I love. Again, I'm not sure if I love a full tie-dye jumpsuit, but I'll try it on because I do love the one I have. So in theory, I will love this, but again, I like the colors though. It's not a terrible tie-dye. All right, I'm excited to try that on. And then what is this? What are you? Oh. Okay, it's a dress by Goldray and it's really soft and it looks very va-va-va-voom. It looks very fit. It has like a little gathered piece here, a ruched piece here. So we're gonna try that on. I think it is, these tend to be very va-va-va-voom on me. So we will see. All right, oh wait, there's one more thing. I barely ever get jewelry from Stitch Fix. Oh, but these are cute. They're just little tiny hoops. I know it's so hard, they get blurry. But they're cute. They're like a little bit of a ribbed texture on them. And I like them. I like a little simple earring too. Okay, let me go try on the first outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the first couple of things. And I really love the color of this jacket. I'm sure North Face it's not gonna be cheap, but it feels like, you know, it feels like a raincoat and I could really use one. I tried it on for my husband and I said, well, I've been stealing your raincoat. He's like, you can keep stealing it for whatever price that's gonna be. Fair enough. Although my daughter really needs a raincoat too. I mean, we live in Seattle. You can't have too many raincoats. So yeah, this might be a purchase regardless. Okay, so I like it. It's too small though. I'd have to size up, but it's fine. I do like it. It's a little tight in the shoulders and it's it's tight here. So definitely would have to size up, but it's cute anyway. I like how it kind of is fitted for a woman. Like my husband's is like real blocky, you know? And not that you're trying to look good in your raincoat, but you also don't, you know, you want it kind of work for you a little bit, for real. Okay, so I think it's cute and I like it. I get a little bit nervous about getting a bigger size and having the arms be too long, but I don't know. I like it. I like it. Okay, so then this is a cute t-shirt. I don't know, it's just too short for me. It's just too short. I mean, I don't think it shows anything, but I would just be like, I'd like be bending over and I'd be like, I feel air on my skin. I don't like, I don't like the air on my skin. But it's soft and it has like a raw edge everywhere, which is kind of fun and different style. It's soft. These are my level 99 pants from Every, which are linen and stretchy and lovely. So if you don't have some of these, you should go get them. I really like them. But even though these are a bit high-waisted, I still just feel like it's a little short for the mama. I don't know, but it's cute. I like the color a lot. Maybe the price would change things. I don't know. I don't know. It's still a little short for me. All right, let me go try on the next thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the next dress, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. It's soft, it's lovely. The length is fun. The rouging, stretchy bit's fun. It has a really light rib on it that makes it soft and stretchy. It's flattering. I'd probably want to wear some Spanx with it. But it's cute. Where am I going to wear this? I was telling my daughter, who's my daughter's like, oh my God, I love it, get it. I said, where am I going to wear this? I'm not going to work, and we're not really going out still. I have two dresses that are this shape that look great on, but I never wear them out. I just feel like, I feel like I should just like be rocking this out to the grocery store or something. I don't know, go to the sporting event in it, but I don't. It's not what I'm comfortable in. So although I love it, the shape of the dress, and I think it's flattering, I just don't think I'd ever wear it. Give me some ideas. Tell me where I should wear it. Like, where would it be appropriate to wear this dress? Because I feel like it's just too, like it's a lot of curve. And not that I'm ashamed, I love that I have curves, but I also think that there are places where you show it off and places you don't. Like your child's sporting event is inappropriate. I said, where should we wear it? Oh, she could wear it to the beach. I'm like, what are you talking about? Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if you feel differently, because I would love to hear, like, if you would just wear this to, like, the beach. So, okay. All right, let me go try on the last thing. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last thing, and it's that Michael Stars jumpsuit. And I do have this in black, and I feel like black, I don't know, it just is more flattering, and typically it is, right? This, I feel like you can see every bump and bulge, and it hides absolutely nothing. I think it's fun for summer, and I like how light it is, but maybe it's just a little too tight, but it really, I feel like it's not flattering at all. Like you can just see every little bump. And I don't know, I think it is a little bit tight. Maybe if I sized up, but I just don't think I love tie-dye enough to size up on it. But I think it is a fun, light, summery thing. So if tie-dye is your jam, I mean, I think it would be so cute with like some, like my white jean denim jacket with like some just cute sandals. Like, I think it could be cute, but I just don't think it's flattering right now. Again, weight loss, but also the fabric. I think the black just hides so much more. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. You tell me what you think. All right, let's look at prices and then we'll have to make some decisions. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices. And one other thing I wanted to show you is my daughter pointed out that it isn't a ribbed pattern on these earrings, but it has little diamondy chips on it. So it makes it real sparkly and kind of glamorous looking, which I'm not sure it's gonna focus well to see, but those are really, really cute. All right, let's look at prices because that, especially for jewelry, it really matters. Okay, so as expected, the North Face raincoat is $149, which I feel like that is a little steep for a raincoat. I tend to see North Face raincoats, like jackets in that price range, but raincoats at like REI, I swear they've been cheaper, but maybe I'm crazy. My daughter put it on and it's really cute on her. I might just get it for her because I'm feeling generous, or I could just go to Target and get a raincoat. Because it doesn't matter and $149 is too much to spend on a teenager. Okay, so the hoops, the earrings are $48, which is not terrible, but let's be honest, it's too much for me for hoop earrings, but they're really so cute. Okay, then the Michael Stars jumpsuit is $128, and I think I'd gotten a discount at Every, but that's about what I paid before. And that was just not the right fit for me. And then the t-shirt is $34. This little cute blue t-shirt. It says green. I got thrown off because it says green, but it is clearly a blue. Yeah, a blue t-shirt, which is cute. $34, that's a great price. I'm just not sure it was the right style for me, the right cut. And then the knit dress is $68. It's by Goldray. And again, I thought it was super flattering and really cute and soft and lovely and amazing. I'm just not sure I would wear it. And I'd love to hear your opinion about it and see if you think I'm crazy and I should bring out these dresses more often. But I don't know why I don't. I always think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna wear this one. And I have one that I have worn once and one that still has the tags on. So. And they're both like cotton casual material. It's not like they're fancy. Okay, so if I got everything, it'd be $427 minus the 25% discount, $320. I'm not getting everything. I'm not sure I'm getting anything except for maybe the raincoat. But even then, I don't know. Tell me what you think about this box, all right? And if you've never tried Stitch Fix, I'll put my referral code down below so you can give it a try, and it doesn't cost you anything for the first box. And it's just fun. So I'm not sure this is the box for me, but if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.